Unraveling the mystery, how to use a string winder. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific but incredibly useful topic: use a string winder. This phrase might sound simple, but there's a lot to unpack here, especially for those of you learning English or diving into hobbies that involve strings. Let's get into the details and make this process as clear as possible. A string winder is a small, handy tool primarily used by musicians, especially guitarists. Its main purpose is to wind or unwind the strings of a musical instrument, making the process of changing strings faster and less tedious. Imagine having to manually twist each string into place. It's time-consuming. The string winder simplifies this by fitting over the tuning pegs, allowing you to turn it with ease and speed up the winding or unwinding process. Why should you even bother using a string winder? Efficiency and safety are the keywords here. Not only does a string winder save time, but it also ensures that the strings are evenly wound, which is crucial for maintaining the tuning stability of the instrument. For beginners, it's a way to avoid the frustration of spending too much time on string changes, and for professionals, it's a tool to ensure the instrument is in the best possible condition for performances. 1. Identify the tuning peg that corresponds to the string you wish to wind or unwind. 2. Attach the string winder to the tuning peg. Make sure it's securely fitted. 3. Turn the handle of the string winder. If you're winding a new string, ensure that the string is properly threaded through the bridge and nut of the instrument. Turn the winder in the appropriate direction to tighten or loosen the string. 4. Monitor the tension. As you wind, keep an eye on the string's tension to avoid over-tightening, which could snap the string. Using a string winder is a simple yet effective way to manage your instrument's strings, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician. It's all about making the process smoother and more efficient, ensuring that you spend more time playing and less time on maintenance. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, use a string winder, and its practical application. Happy strumming, and see you in the next video.